Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping. Today's video is all about unboxing and review of the products I just got for my phone, because I use my phone for my YouTube channel. Just to upgrade it a little bit, I got a camera lens kit for my phone. This is the kit I got, which is the Insignia mobile photography kit. Inside the box we have the tripod, we have the mic, we have the camera shuttle for group pictures or for selfie, we have the LED lights, we have the 3 lenses and the stuff for mounting it on the phone. And the 3 lenses are just we have the micro lens, wide angle lens, and fisheye lens. So let's unbox it. Let's see what is inside. So man, this thing should not play with me. This is what is inside, and lest I forget, it came with a purse, so just to keep it safe. And let me see what is inside the purse. Oh, it came with a cable, I think. Yeah, a cable for charging the LED lights. And trust me, before buying this, I've watched like thousands of videos on YouTube, so to see how it is, I've watched thousands of videos on YouTube, so I didn't just buy this, and the reviews on it are very good. So this is the tripod for vlogging or for anything. It's quite small, very small and very handy, which I'm loving which I'm loving it already. And there's a place you can so you can adjust the neck a bit, which is pretty nice. The legs of the tripod are very bendable, which is also nice which is also very nice. This is the LED. This is the on button, which is very bright. See, like pretty bright. And yeah, this is the highest, medium, and low, and which is bright. I have the microphone, which I'll be testing in a bit, but before I do that, because my phone I'm using iPhone 7 Plus, which doesn't have this kind of mount on the phone. I got this thing, so it will help me charge my phone and at the same time use a microphone at the same time. Because the microphone I used to use before, yeah, just give me a second and I will plug this in, because you have to plug it with Bluetooth. So I'm going to plug it in, and then inside the microphone I've plugged what's it called, the stuff I got for this thing. So let me insert. So right now I don't know if it's working here. You can hear some echo at the background, but that's because this place is still kind of empty. I just moved in not long ago, so I'm still setting it up, but I don't know if this is working yet. I'm not sure but you guys will tell me, and then when I listen to this video I'm going to know. But I will leave this in throughout the video. The camera shuttle, so I have to also connect this with Bluetooth, and I can do that later. The real deal, this is the camera mount, and it has a plastic thing that will protect your phone. so it won't give you a scratch. This is a fisheye lens, so I'll be trying it. It has a cap to cover it, and then it has a cap here too. So let's try it. It's white, you see, like it's very nice because you could see what you were not seeing before. Try the other one. Oh man, my pride should not fall. This is my pride right now. So which is the micro lens. Yes, the almighty micro. Everywhere is blurry. Everywhere is blurry, but I'll be trying this with my glasses. So we'll see how close we can get. Whoa, I went pretty close, like very close to the, I don't know, my hand is very shaky. Very close to the lens, like super close, almost entering the lens, and you could see everything. I don't know, don't mind my hand is super shaky. So, which is very nice. And we'll take this off, the wide angle. Yeah, this is the wide angle, which I'll be mounting to and see how it is. Yeah, the wide angle is super nice, super. I'm loving this thing. It's only the microphone, I don't even know how it works. So that is it. I've reviewed everything, and which I think is very nice. The tripod is so small that it can get inside this purse without any problem, so which is very handy and it is very nice. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you see more of these videos. Stay nice, stay awesome, and always be the best of yourself.